Hi, I'm Dr. Sands, and this is Admiral Davey, who already wants a treat. We are going to talk about how to put in nose drops for a kitty with congestion. You want to have treats prepared. Obviously, he can have his treats while we talk about everything else. You want to have your nose drops shaken and open before you go get your kitty. I happen to have Davey here because he wanted the treats. And you want a high reward treat. So a squeeze up treat, their favorite snack, it doesn't matter. You want a reward before and after. So we really like cat bags, which we're going to show you because Davey has one at home. Davey just smelled the bottle, and it's actually really good to let him look at that and get used to it. Cats like to know what's coming, and if you just start it without them getting used to it, it can be scary. So I'm even just kind of touching him to get used to it. So if you don't have a cat bag, you can get a nice big towel. You want to have Davey in a small room, or your kitty in a small room, so that they don't want to get away from you in the house. And you come from behind and you take that towel, and I think about it kind of like a barber's cape. Tuck it right neat around his neck. And he doesn't have to be a burrito, it just keeps the paws from reaching up and getting you. So it's got a nice little attachment there. Well, not attachment, but this is how I have his towel. And then I'm gonna put my hand under his chin. I'm gonna rub him a little bit, and I'm going to come with my other hand. So I'm right-handed. And I'm gonna lay my hand on the side of his face. So, and he's tipped up just a little bit, and I'm gonna squeeze one drop into his nostril. And I'm not gonna stay on the same side with my hand and squeeze a drop in the other nostril. Let him lick a little and then put his head down. And Davey's a great patient, but it's because I didn't come from the front and make him feel offended. And I came from the side, and he has control. The towel keeps him from scratching me. And he's a roly-poly kitty, but he feels nice and snug. I always work with kitties between my arms like a triangle because that can help them feel secure. So I'm gonna give him a treat. And then we're going to do a quick transition and show you a cat bag. This is Davey's own cat bag, but we also send this home a lot of times when we're doing ear or nose medication. So Davey knows the cat bag means it's time to go on a car ride. Come on, Davey. So we let the kitty take their time kind of figuring out where the nose hole is. Davey knows. It does have a Velcro, which can be scary for some cats. You just get them used to it with a treat first. And then snug him up there. Again, as long as it's covering his feet for the drops, you don't have to zip him in, but you can. If this is your kitty's first time with a cat bag, make sure they get lots of treats. I do not use the foot holes in cat bags. I think that they tend to cause more stress than they're worth. So again, another demonstration. I'm going to take my hand under his head, rest my other hand here, show him, hey, that's not a treat, buddy. One drop. If it misses his nostril, no big deal. One drop. And then if you let his head stay up a little bit, that'll really soak those passages. And then some love and a little extra treat, and that's all it takes. I think we'll use Davey for all our videos. He's a good boy.